The heavy-duty clothes rack that laughs at gravity. Holds 620 pounds with ease. Tired of flimsy racks collapsing under the weight of your winter coats? Meet the simple trending heavy-duty garment rack, the Hercules of clothing organizers. With a jaw-dropping 620-pound weight capacity, this chrome-plated beast can hold over 200 dresses, coats, and suits without breaking a sweat. The double-rod Y-shaped design maximizes hanging space, while the extra storage shelf at the bottom lets you stash shoes, bins, or bags. Whether you're organizing your closet, running a boutique, or just battling wardrobe chaos, this rock-solid, rust-proof, and waterproof rack is your ultimate space-saving solution. Why settle for weak racks when you can have industrial strength? This isn't some wobbly, lightweight rack. It's crafted from thickened stainless steel tubing, meaning it won't bend, warp, or rust over time. The chrome-plated finish not only adds a sleek, modern touch, but also makes it corrosion-resistant and ultra-durable. Plus, unlike single-rod racks that limit your space, this double-rod powerhouse lets you hang twice the clothes, keeping your wardrobe organized, accessible, and clutter-free. If you need strength, stability, and style in one, this rack is built to outperform the competition. Move it. Lock it. Love it. Forget struggling to shift heavy clothing racks. This one comes with 4 premium 360-degree swivel wheels made of high-grade, wear-resistant rubber. Need it to stay put? Just lock the wheels in place for rock-solid stability. Whether you're rearranging your room, rolling it between laundry loads, or using it for retail displays, this rack glides effortlessly and silently across floors. No noise, no wobbling, just smooth movement and rock-solid reliability. This game-changing mobility makes it perfect for home, dorms, boutiques, or showrooms. Save space, save money, save your sanity. Why clutter your bedroom with bulky dressers when you can maximize vertical storage? This versatile garment rack isn't just for hanging clothes, it's a total organization system. The bottom shelf adds extra storage for bins, shoes, or bags, making it ideal for small spaces, laundry rooms, or even walk-in closets. With easy, tool-free assembly, you'll have it up and running in minutes. No frustrating instructions, no missing parts, just instant organization at a fraction of the cost of built-in closet systems. If you're serious about strength, durability, and effortless organization, this simple trending heavy-duty clothes rack is the game-changer you've been looking for. Built to last, engineered to impress, and designed to hold your wardrobe without breaking down, this rack is in a league of its own. Say goodbye to cheap, flimsy racks and upgrade to the last garment organizer you'll ever need. But act fast, at this price, it won't stay in stock for long.